In this guide, we're going over how you can get the ancient fragments here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you want to do is teleport over to Easter Island. This is where the full method is going to happen because these fragments only drop from the Great Mage boss. So essentially what you need to go and do is make your way here and just immediately start farming these bunnies. And what you need to get from these bunnies is going to be the Easter keys. And then, of course, these don't drop too frequently, but for whatever reason, they do drop more frequently than the eggs itself, so you should get these pretty quickly. Once you have some of those keys, I recommend getting a few of them. Make your way back here over to this boss, just like so. Interact with the Great Mage boss, and then, of course, you can go ahead and summon in the boss. Now, alternatively, you can also complete the 7 hidden egg quest, and then you can convert your eggs into Easter keys. That's really up to you. It's not a requirement. Just keep farming this boss right here for a chance to get the ancient fragments along with other drops. You are going to need multiple runs since these drops are not guaranteed, but that is it. Farm the eggs, convert them into keys, summon the boss, and repeat until you do get enough ancient fragments. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.